Here are 5 reasons you need to do a market research before you start your mini importation business. If you are considering going into mini importation business, you need to take note of this before you ever think about getting started, because this is very important to the success of your business. My name is Joseph and I welcome you to Side Hustle Nigeria, where we talk about businesses you can do or kickstart here in Nigeria. Today we are going to look into the mini importation business, and we want to consider very important 5 key things that you should put in mind or that you should research on before you start the mini importation business. Now, the number one on the list is the product. As you already know, in the 4 P's of marketing, we have the price, we have the product, we have the place, and we have promotion. You should also understand that mini importation business is a business, and these 4 P's of marketing relate to any business, so it is not an exemption when it comes to the mini importation business. What are the 4 P's again? Price, place, product, and promotion, or we can just call it product, price, place, and promotion. Those are the 4. I'll give you the 5th one at the end of this video. So let's talk about the product. What kind of product are you considering bringing into the country? You should understand that when you're coming into the industry or into the business as an importer, the products you should bring are products that should sell out. You don't want to keep an inventory of products for a very long period of time, which will tie down capital. So let's say you are getting started right now and you want to do a research on the product that you want to sell. First, what is the demand of this product you are considering bringing into the country? Are you bringing this product because you like this product, or are you bringing this product because this product is in demand? Now that brings us to another aspect in mini importation, where we look critically into types of products you want to import. We have products like hot demand product. You can also call it hot product or product in hot demand. We have evergreen products. We have solution products. Let me leave it at that 3. The 4th one can also be luxury product. Now, let us start with hot in demand products. Now, cast your mind back during the period of COVID-19. If you were aware about COVID and the things that took place between 2019 2020, COVID was in full force in 2020, right? All right. Something was very, very spectacular during that period. A product that people really consider to be a product of value suddenly became a product of value that is in hot demand, and it was even scarce to get. And what product am I talking about? Face mask. As simple as this face mask is, people started cutting their bras, their singlets, their stockings just to make face mask. Face mask. Face mask became a hot product. What made this product a hot product was COVID. COVID made this a hot product, and that is my point. For you to be able to understand what a hot product is. You must be able to follow the trend in the country or around the world. Look at the trend. What is happening in the health sector? What is happening in the engineering sector? What is happening in other sectors? What do these people need? Or what season are we right now in the country or in the year? And what kind of product are people going to need in this season? I'm making this video now in the month of October, okay? And this is towards the end of the year. And if you want to consider a product that will be in hot demand by the end of this year or during this period like October, November, December, you should be considering any product that has to do with Christmas. These are products that are going to be hot in demand anytime soon. Maybe like the Christmas light, the Christmas tree, the Christmas hat and everything. And as a matter of fact, you should have those products right now in your inventory. Latest before the end of November, you should have them in your inventory, because you'll start seeing people displaying this product between the last week of November till the last week of December. It's just within a month period for you to sell and maximize profit. So you should consider hot demand product, and you should be able to know how to do your research to get it. I'm going to provide you with a document that can assist you in this, but that is after this video. You can fetch the link in the comment section. If you can't find it there or in the video description, please just comment document and I will send it to your email. Now, we've talked about hot demand products, and this can also be seasonal products, okay? Most seasonal products are hot demand products. Now, we also talk about evergreen products. Now, what are evergreen products? These are products that come rain, come sunshine, people will always need them. People will always need them. So you have to now brainstorm and think, what are products that people will always need? I'm going to drop the list of products people always need all year round in the video description. So please go to the video description and check them out. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to say a few. Number one, wristwatch. Wristwatch is a product people will always need. People like to put on wristwatch when they are going out, okay? Shoes. People would like to wear shoes. Glasses. People would like to put on glasses. This has got nothing to do with the season. It's just like a kind of fashion thing. We like to put it on. Glasses. Pen. People will always need pen. Now, I can continue with the list. So you have to consider some of these products and go for them. Now, one thing you should also know about evergreen products is that evergreen products don't sell out fast, but they always sell because people will ask for them. Now, this takes us to the next product, which is solution products. What are solution products? Solution products are products that people will always sought to solve a problem. For example, an individual may be prone to high blood pressure. That kind of person, from time to time, will visit the clinic to check his pulse, his blood pressure, and everything about his health. One product you can bring into the country that can help individuals that are prone to high blood pressure or that have been diagnosed that they have high blood pressure is the high blood pressure machine. That's machine that you can easily put in your hand and just punch some button and it's going to record your blood pressure. So that is also a product you can bring. You can see it's a solution product. Another kind of solution product is dark spot remover or scar remover. These are solution products because they are designed to solve a particular problem. I'm not saying that other products don't solve a problem or provide a kind of value. We are looking at products that are designed to tackle one challenge, maybe that pertains to health. So that is one aspect you should consider when you are importing from abroad. Solution product. Then the last on the list, luxury products. Luxury products are products of value that people buy to adorn themselves and to look more beautiful. Glasses is part of them. Wristwatch is still part of them. Gold chain is part of them. Earrings is part of luxury product. Fashionable, other fashionable attires and things like that, they are also part of luxury product. So now the point is this: all these products are available out there. It is not all these products we produce right here in Nigeria. So you have to now decide which one do you think will move fast in your location. And that is where we go back to the 4 P's of marketing. You have understood the product you want to get. Now, you are now going to look into the price. You are also going to look into the place. Where do you want to sell it? How do you want to sell it? Then promotion. One major mistake people make when it comes to importation business is that they ignore the aspect of promotion. Before you go into mini importation business in detail, one of the first things you should do is promotion. Start promotion before you even attempt importing. For example, if I want to bring in this machine, this desktop table vacuum cleaner, I will consider if this machine is going to sell, and instead for me going through the hustle and everything that has to do with importation, I would rather advertise this thing first for a couple of weeks, days, to see what the demand looks like. Now, when I get to know that, oh, this product is really going to be in high demand, then I can press my button and import it into the country. It's still part of research, and that is promotion. So don't go through all the 4 P's of marketing just that way. You can start with some. You can even start with promotion. Start with promotion first. It costs you nothing. Just get a picture of an item and promote it. Wait for the feedback. Wait for the response. From the responses you get, some people can even give you tips and clues into what they are expecting you to have. So with that, you can be well informed and bring the right product that will sell. So this is no longer a guesswork. So I'm going to wrap it up here. The 5th one I was going to tell you about the mini importation business is making sure you have what is called offers. It's still part of promotions. Now, if you are selling this and you're selling this for maybe like 2,000 naira, you can say for every of this you get a pen. For every of this you get a pen. As little as this pen may look like, if I have a competitor that is just selling this, trust me, someone will want to buy from me because of this pen. see what I'm talking about. So let's leave it up for now, and we go to the next topic in our mini importation business. If you have gained value from this, please do well to drop comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know the questions you have. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and click the bell icon to not miss any video I make. Till I come your way again in my subsequent video, keep winning. Bye for now.